So after we have the initial body functions down, so we know about the brain, everything that's happening in there, one thing that we can never underestimate is the impact of society on how we feel. Each generation will see a change in what is viewed as attractive or interesting. This will play a key role in the development of who and what you will find attractive. Like, I was born in the 80s, so I still have a huge affection for big hair, leg warmers, and spandex. I actually wear leggings basically is my only thing. I don't really like to wear jeans or anything. That's part of who you are. It's that you grow up with, its structure. And this is due to the concept that you'll be more interested in things that you are familiar with. So the more time you spend with someone, the better chance that you will develop an attraction to them. Now, when you can see this is the impact of current crazes. So when the media begins reporting on something more often, let's use planking, because I didn't really understand what that was, and then all of a sudden everyone was like, hey, let's plank, and I'm like, I don't think this is really a thing. So, but then the media started carrying it on more and more. So the media reports on it, it starts showing up in magazines and television, then suddenly everyone around you is doing it, and then you've become so accustomed to seeing something that seems so weird at first that you're like, hey, this is now strange that I didn't do this before. Can you remember a time before tablets or cell phones or computers? Unfortunately, I can't, and it was a weird world. But this is why memory is so important to attraction. New things are scary until they're not new anymore. Society will also give you tons of different information on what should be found as attractive. So you'll see models and their body types will change and adjust based on various generations. So we're looking at it, you're seeing it, it's telling you that you should feel good about these things, so your brain will react. It will change, it will adjust, and you will begin to start finding the things you're being told is attractive. It's attractive. Again, it's repetition, familiarity. Society is a scary, scary thing if it's used for weird things like this, but we grew up in it. We don't see that as strange. Think about it for a minute, and trust me, you might think a little bit different about the world around us.